Okay, here's one for you. I don't know if I'm going to make this. It's 1 peso. Un peso. It's from República Argentina. This outer part is what I'm going to be making a ring out of. And it's like, I'd say that's about 3 mil, 4 mil. No, I'd say it's 3 mil. Right, let's see if we can do it. So first of all, I'm going to punch that middle out. This is 2 parts. And I need this little tool to go to Big Red. Now this coin, I don't have to punch a hole in it because it's already going to have one in it. I just got to knock that centre part out. Like so. I mean, this is going to be narrow banded. Let's show it a bit of love. Burning. I mean, this is the narrowest banded ring I've ever made. Get it in shot, boy. You stupid boy. Right. That's us drawing off. So, what side we're going to go for? That's quite pretty. You're so pretty, oh so pretty. But this is going to be the side, isn't it? So I put that face down in a little doming block just to get it started. I'll put in a ball bearing. You want it sort of squarish if you can get it. I won't say it. Or should I say it? It just helps it on spike. Because spike doesn't like that. It doesn't like it at all. There's not much there. I think I'll try to give it a bit more. I'll find a slightly smaller hole. There you go. That's a little bit better. I'm going to try that one. Oh, things level-ish. Let's put a bit of jollop in there. It's not having it. It doesn't want to know. That's better. Did that do anything? Probably not. It looks like we're going straight over to spike. A bit of kitchen roll. There's going to be a tiny ring. I'm not going to be able to stretch this very far. There's no bow in it, but there's not much there to bow in, is there, really? Ain't looking too bad. That ridge is where the centre part was pressed into it. I quite like it, so I might leave it there. I can always take it out with Dave. I think I won't push my luck. There you go. So now we need, I can use, go back to our baby one. Be a good idea to take you over there, wouldn't it? Well, that did absolutely nothing. So what am I going to do? What am I going to do? It does fit in there. So you got about just over a mil and a half. Needs a bit more, so hopefully we can find it'll fit in this now. Maybe it's a bugger. That's different when you're making these different coin rings from all over the world. You're pretty restricted on the tools you've got. No. Nah. Well, I'm going to have to. I'm just trying to get something here that fits. I think it's going to have to be that one. It ain't a perfect fit, but well, look at that. Straight walls. So, is there a lip in it? Yes, there is. You just want to cut that little lip there. See that line? That gives you a full sizing. I'd say that's about 2 mil wide. I don't know if anyone's interested in this ring, but it's good to make something a bit different now and again. In this, you know, so the same old, same old. There's my ruler on the floor. That was what I expected to be. If I can pick the bloody thing up. Right. Just a tad over 2 mil. About 2.5 mil, say. There you go. So let's break out Kate Bush and I just no fire scale on this really because I didn't really heat it up much. Right, there we go. So I'll take Kate, I'll stick in Felton, and I'll give it a bit of the old love and affection. Well, it's coming up okay. Right, what we got is microfiber towels. Everything sticks to them, everything. Right, it even sticks to itself. Let's have a look. That's a bit of fun, isn't it, you know? Probably get bored of the same old, same old. Right, slightly cleaner cloth. So what we got now then? It didn't come up too bad. The lip's a bit sad here and there, where, you know, I couldn't get anything to fit, but, you know. What size did we get? We've got a size. I mean, this is crazy. Look how thin it is. It's thinner than a thin thing. 9 1/4, 9.5, 10. Fits this finger. Absolutely spotty dog. Thank you all for your support. If you're not subscribed, how about hitting it for me? Show me some love. Hit the like button. Hit the don't like button. And yeah, God willing, I'll see you on the next one. Keep smiling. And yeah, you know the rest. Have a good one. Bye bye.